In this video, I will show you how to use Imgur on your mobile phone. Before we start, I want to mention that there is a link in the description for NordVPN to try it at a great price. This is important because Imgur is not available in some countries, and a VPN like NordVPN can help you access it. Now let us begin. First, take your phone and unlock it. Make sure you have an internet connection. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open the App Store on your phone. On Android, this is the Google Play Store. On iPhone, this is the App Store. In the search bar, type Imgur. Look for the official Imgur app. It should have the Imgur logo and be published by Imgur Inc. Tap on Install or Get. Wait for the app to download and install on your phone. When the app is ready, tap Open. You will see the Imgur welcome screen. You can use Imgur without an account, but creating an account is recommended because it lets you manage your uploads and keep them saved. Tap on Sign Up if you want to create an account. You can sign up with an email address, Google, Apple, or another option shown on your screen. Follow the steps and create your account. If you already have an account, tap Login and enter your details. After you are logged in, you will be on the main Imgur home screen. This is where you see popular posts from other users. At the bottom of the screen, you will see several buttons. One of them is a plus or upload button. This is the button you use to upload your own images and videos. Tap on that button. The app will now ask you for permission to access your photos and videos. Tap Allow so Imgur can see your files. This is required to upload anything from your phone. Now you will see your photo gallery. You can scroll through your images and videos. To upload an image, simply tap on the image you want. You can select more than one image if you want to upload multiple files at the same time. After selecting, tap Next or Upload, depending on what your app shows. Before the upload starts, you may see an editing screen. Here you can crop the image, rotate it, or make simple edits. You can also add a title and a description. The title is what people will see first. The description can give more details about the image. You can also choose if the post is public or hidden. Public means everyone on Imgur can see it. Hidden means only people with the link can see it. Choose the option you prefer. When you are ready, tap Upload. The app will now upload your image to Imgur. This may take a few seconds or longer, depending on the size of the file and your internet speed. When it is done, you will see your image on Imgur. To get the link to your image, tap on the image you just uploaded. Look for a share icon. Tap on it. You will see options like Copy Link, Share to other apps, or similar. Tap Copy Link to copy the direct link to your clipboard. You can now paste this link anywhere, such as in messages, emails, or social media. Now let us talk about uploading videos. The process is very similar. Go back to the Upload button in the Imgur app. Tap on it again. This time, choose a video from your gallery. Make sure your video meets Imgur's rules. Imgur supports common video formats like MP4. There may also be a file size limit, so very large videos might not upload. After selecting the video, tap Next. You can again add a title and description. You can also choose if the video is public or hidden. When you are ready, tap Upload. The video will now upload. This can take longer than images, especially if the video is long or high quality. When the upload is finished, you will see your video on Imgur. Tap on it to play it. To share it, tap the share icon and copy the link the same way you did for images. You can also manage your uploads. Tap on your profile icon, usually in the corner of the screen. Here you will see all the images and videos you have uploaded. You can tap on any item to view it, share it, or delete it if you no longer need it. Now, I want to mention something important. In some countries, Imgur is blocked or cannot be accessed. If you open the app or website and it does not load, this is likely the reason. In this case, you can use a VPN. A VPN changes your online location so you can access websites that are blocked in your country. One popular VPN is NordVPN. With NordVPN, you can connect to a different country and then open Imgur as normal. As I said at the start of this video, there is a link in the description where you can try NordVPN risk-free. If Imgur does not work for you, this can be a simple way to fix the problem.